Hello everybody, this is the third video about my website. Check your tech skills, and you can access it from my personal website. So this is one way to access the application, but first change that I've done that I'm using now specific domain, checkyourtechskills.com, so you can also access it like this. Okay. So this is the application, and the second change that I've made, I've added 2 more quizzes. Okay, so if you want to know how many quizzes I have, you can check it here at the About. And I've added, so I have all of this, and this is new, and MongoDB is new. Okay, so if you want to start a quiz, let's go here, and you can now enable node.js, and MongoDB is enabled. Okay, so I can go here and I can start a new quiz. So this is the second change. And the third change is that now you can authenticate yourself, and then you can see later your history. So you see here me, this is specific for you. But now I'm not authenticated, so I can still perform the quiz. Okay, so check. I'm not trying to succeed here. I'm just trying to show you that I can finish a quiz and everything is okay like before. Even though I'm not authenticated, I can still see the results and everything is okay. However, if I want to see my progress and I want to see my history, then you need to authenticate yourself, and you need to click here. And here you have 2 options. You can authenticate yourself with user and a password, or you can authenticate yourself with your Google account. If you authenticated with your Google account, then your email is already confirmed. If you are signing with user name and password, you will need to confirm your email, because Auth0 will send you an email and you will need to click there on the link. Only then your email will be confirmed. So in my case, if I go like this, and I can go now to here, then you will see my identity, and you see that my email is confirmed because I already clicked on the link that Auth0 sent to me when I have registered, and you can see here my results, and you can also see your results. If you will not confirm your email, then you will see only that you have taken 5 quizzes and you will not see this. So these are the 3 main changes. Have fun!